Morning, everyone. Welcome to Friday. We like Fridays, last day of the week. And for your activities today, you're doing these ones here on this page. I'm on Learning Without Limits. We're under the Fun Friday tab. And again here. And you've got a whole bunch of activities again. You've got 17 this week to choose from. I've taken one out, the bottle flip one. But you have got another sporting one down here. Apart from that, guys, the activities are the same as they were last week. You can choose another 2 or 3, roughly 3 hours worth. And if you want to do the cooking one again, you're allowed to. Otherwise, just choose something fresh, something new to do. Now, it's got this big note here that you go to your own version of this page. It's under your own name. It's called My Friday Fun page. And that's where you record it. So if I scroll down to, say, Alex here, go down to his term 2, because that's where it's under, and then he's got his My Friday Fun page here. And this is what he did last week. Got the heading term 2, week 3. He did the photo competition. So let's look at that. That's pretty cool. He put in a bunch of real nice photos. It's got some good focus stuff going on there. He built a pasta tower. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Is that with marshmallows? And then he did the learning to juggle before and after videos. Now, today, this is where he's going to stick his work under this sign, term 2, week 4. Well done, Alex. That looks awesome. So if I just go up to that Friday Fun page, with you guys choosing new stuff to do, many of them do require you creating a video. For example, this one here, the TV3 isolation games requires a short video. And if you didn't do the marble roll and you're going to do that this week, that requires a video. If you're going to do a video, there's a number of ways to record that. You could create a video and then upload it to YouTube if you've got a YouTube account. You could do it on the VCL player and upload the recording of that to your page, or you can do it on Flipgrid if your teacher shares a Flipgrid account. I've given my class this link here. They can go there and they've got 90 seconds worth of video to create, and that's quite a good place to go because you can look at what other kids have done, make a comment, and it's just easy. It all does it for you. Okay, so what else? We took did I say I took the bottle flip activity out? So just be aware of that. That's not an option. And with us now being stuck at home for another week, next Friday we'll have another Fun Friday, but all of these options will be new. So this is the last week with these options available. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, just get hold of your teacher and they can help you. And just be creative and fun. I would like you to copy your copy the headings. For example, let's say if Alex wanted to do the home cooking show thing, he can copy it like this, go down to his name, and you can stick it down here. Leave a little bit of a gap, and then you can go back up to the Friday Fun page, and he might go, I want to try the stained glass activity. So he copies that. Control C, back down to his name, and then he puts that in. That's 90 minutes, and that's 60 minutes, so he needs another 30 minutes. So let's back up to the Friday Fun page. What's 30 minutes? He's done learning to juggle. He might just do like a short version of something. He might spend 30 minutes on that. So it goes up, down to his name, and he sticks it in. What we'd like to see you do is get all of your intended activities that you want to do down there first. So this is what I'm planning to do, and then you can begin on them. Okay. Even if for some reason you don't get through all of them, we want to see what you intended to do. And at the moment, this adds up to 3.5 hours. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for listening, boys. Have fun today.